In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all alerts on TradingView step by step, 2025. Whether your alerts panel has gotten cluttered or you just want a clean slate, I'll walk you through the simplest and safest way to tidy things up without confusion. First, open TradingView and make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this on the web or the desktop app. The process is the same. Being logged in ensures you're managing alerts tied to your profile, not a temporary session. Next, look at the right-hand sidebar and click the Alerts icon, which looks like a small bell. This opens the Alerts panel, where you'll see a list of all your alerts. Typically, you'll notice two types: active alerts, which are currently watching the market, and inactive alerts, which have already triggered, expired, or been paused. If you want to remove alerts one by one, hover your mouse over any alert in the list. You'll see a small trash icon appear. Click that trash icon to delete that single alert. This approach is perfect if you want to be selective, keeping the alerts you still need while clearing out specific ones you no longer use. If you're looking to quickly clear out old alerts, there's a faster option. Right-click on any alert in the panel and select Delete All Inactive. This immediately removes all alerts that are no longer active, such as those that have already triggered or expired. It's a great way to reduce clutter in one move. Don't worry, this action only targets inactive alerts and won't touch the ones that are currently active. After clearing the inactive alerts, you may still see active alerts in the list. If you want to remove those as well, go through them individually using the same hover and trash method. This lets you decide exactly which active alerts to keep and which to remove. Take a moment to scan the list and confirm you're only deleting alerts you truly don't need anymore. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView and log in. Click the bell icon to open the alerts panel. Delete alerts one by one with the trash icon if you want to be selective, or right-click and choose Delete All Inactive for a quick cleanup. Then repeat the individual deletion for any remaining active alerts you'd like to remove. If this video helped, please like, subscribe,